how to install Adobe Illustrator for free on PC and Mac. To get started, head down to the description and click on the link just below the like button. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. And then we're going to head up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design. And under Featured Products, we're going to select Illustrator. Now that we're on the Adobe Illustrator page, we can head down and have a look at all of the amazing features that you get from Adobe Illustrator once you have installed it on your PC or your Mac. There are a whole lot of tutorials to get you started as well. What we are looking for is this Buy Now and Free Trial button. So we're going to click on the free trial option. And then at the top, we have three options. We have the individuals options, we have the business options, and we have the students and teachers option. We're going to go with individuals. You're going to pick the one that works best for you. And then we have the Illustrator only app option and the Creative Cloud all apps, which is the best value for money. Now, this is completely up to you. If you want to go for the Illustrator only option, we're going to go for the Creative Cloud all apps. So we get access to Photoshop, Adobe Express, Firefly, which is their new AI tool, which is amazing, and Acrobat Pro. Next, we're going to pick a subscription. Now, there's annual, paid, monthly, annual, prepaid, and monthly. Now, the pricing on your computer when you are at this stage might look a little bit different to what you're seeing now, depending on when you're watching this. But a lot of people want to know, what is the difference between annual, paid, monthly, and monthly? And why is monthly more expensive? Well, monthly, you can cancel at any time, and there's no fee. If you go with the annual, paid, monthly, you're committing to the full 12 months. You're just paying monthly, so you get a little bit cheaper than the monthly only. But there are cancellation fees that apply if you cancel after 14 days. So just bear that in mind. We're going to select the monthly option, and then we're going to add a 7-day free trial to Adobe Stock because you get 10 standard assets and you can cancel risk-free before the trial ends. So if you want to go for this option, just tick that button and then click on the blue Continue button. Then the next step, I want you to check the subscription options that you have chosen and then check that June dial is in fact 0. So you're getting access to that 7-day free trial. And the next thing I want you to do is check when that free trial actually ends for you. It's going to be different for you and your screen, but check this date and note it down. If you want to continue after the 7-day free trial, then you will see the subscription that you'll be charged following that. Make sure that you check the free trial terms before you head into step 2. So once you're happy and you have confirmed everything, enter your email address and then click on that blue Continue button. In step 2 of 2, we're going to enter our payment information. And then once our payment information has been entered, we can download the Creative Cloud app onto our PC or our Mac. And inside of there, we're going to be able to install Illustrator on our PC or Mac and get started making some amazing designs. If you get stuck anywhere along the way or you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Hope you enjoy Illustrator and make some amazing designs. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.